Hello everyone, welcome to part 99 of Laravel 10 series in which we are creating the e-commerce website. So we will continue working on the dynamic product filter once again, and we are working on these filters, these dynamic filters like fabric, sleep pattern that we can manage from the admin panel. We can add from the Excel file right now. We can manage from the product filters table. Okay. And later on we are going to manage them from the admin panel as well. So far we able to display these filters and their values in the listing page, okay, based on the categories. Okay, so every category will have its own filters, and we are going to show them when there are filters for the products that we are going to show on the page. Okay, so now working, we need to work on these filters. Right now you can see that there is no working. Okay, so we are going to work on the filters functionality, and once again we are going to update the products controller listing function. But before that, one more function we are going to create in the products filter. Okay, so one last function we are going to create for the products filter, and I want to tell you that these filter functionality we are going to finish in this video along with the paging. Okay, pagination, if these filters will go in the pagination as well. And after that, in the next video, in the part 100, we are going to manage these categories. We're going to show these categories dynamically as well. And in the next video we are going to finish this listing page. Means in part 100 we are going to finish this listing page, and in part 101 we are going to start working on the detail page of our Laravel e-commerce website. Okay, so one last video for these product filters. After that, the basic these categories we are going to show at the left sidebar. So that is not complex, that is the simple thing that we're going to do. But right now, one more video on the filters. The tough part is already crossover to show the filters and their values dynamically. Okay, so now we are going to add one more filter function here. Okay, so that is the filter type function we're going to add. Okay, public static function, and we're going to add here the filter types function. Okay, here we are not required to see add any category id. It is not based on the category id, but we are going to fetch all the filter types, all the filter columns. Okay, filter type, products filters, sorry, select filter name, group by filter name, where status 1, get to array. So once again we are going to use simply the array flatten. Return dollar filter types. Okay, so now see this one we will call in the in our listing function in at products controller, sorry, product controller at the front. See, after this one we are going to update query for dynamic filters. So we are going to add here filter types. From products filter we are going to get these filter types. Okay, so after getting these types we are going to add it in for each loop, and here dollar filter, and here we are going to add if it is actually coming dollar request, that particular filter is coming in dollar request. Okay, I'm going to add it like this, dollar request. uh, Add dollar request, dollar filter. Okay, in this case, uh, dollar explode filter wells. I'm going to explode this one with tilde symbol. Tilde is here, and dollar request dollar filter once again. Okay, so that's it. So one is for this one. Okay, so now I'm going to copy this one. This one is required. I'm going to copy from here though. Okay, for the category products wherein it will not come, dollar filter will come instead of this one. Okay, wherein dollar filter, here dollar export filter will come like this. So I'm going to check whether it will work or not. See, we need to add products filter at the top. Okay, so now I'm going to refresh it, and now see, we are going to use these filters, and we'll see. uh, See, now I'm going to select here cotton filter, and here is some change or not. See, filter has not come up here because we need to update their filters dot blade. We have not updated with the class and other things. Okay, so that is required to be updated. Okay, so this one is required to updated. Okay, uh, so now we are going to update this filter with the ajax filter class, and there are other things as well. Okay, so one by one we're going to update, like input type checkbox, refine. After that, id we are going to add here, I'm going to add here some filter. After that, I'm going to add here id, this one dollar key at both the places like this. And after id, I'm going to add here name. Then we are going to add here the name like dollar filter. This one we're going to add, means the that particular name will come. Okay, in that is actually the column name. Okay, so that will come up here in name. Okay, so after that we are going to add here the value. So here the filter value will come once again, this value. Okay, so after that we're going to add the class as well. Class is the filter ajax. I think now it must work fine. Let's see, refresh it, and now we are going to select the fabric here, cotton. Let's see if cotton will go there or not. If I'm going to select cotton, yes, fabric equal to cotton has come up here, and only one product is shown, as only this product is having the cotton. Okay, so this blue t-shirt, I'm going to check its blue t-shirt in admin panel, that this particular product, blue t-shirt product, is having the cotton value or not. See, this is the first one, blue t-shirt. I'm going to check fabric. Where is the fabric? Yes, fabric, its fabric is cotton, so that's why this product is selected. And if you will check other products, they don't have any fabric, like this man product, red t-shirt, must not having any product, had any fabric. Here it's having the blister fabric. That's why for the cotton fabric, only one product is having the cotton fabric. That's why we are showing this product. Okay, so in case of cotton fabric, just out of many products, only one product is shown, that is having the cotton fabric. So like, if I will refresh this page, then this selection is gone away. You can see the selection is gone away. Yes, selection is gone away. So for selecting this one, we need to update here, okay, so that we can able to show it checked. Once we checked, even if we will refresh the page, it must be shown, okay. So we are going to write here the selection code, and here first thing is php dollar check filter equal to empty and php. Okay, after that if is set that dollar get filter, okay, dollar underscore get, and here dollar filter will come to dollar filter, and here we want to end if okay. So once again php we're going to start explode filters, explode this tilde dollar underscore get filter, this one we're going to explode it, and once more condition will start if in array dollar filter value and the next one is the explode filters, okay. So in this case we are going to check it, and if and here in this case again php will start dollar check filter must be equal to checked and php, okay. So this dollar check filter we are going to add here, sorry. So in case of refresh, it's still working. You can see we able to show it cotton as selected, as checked. So we have simply uh, first assign the empty value to the check filter variable, and after that we have checked that whether some filter is coming, this particular filter that is coming like fabric is coming, okay. So that is fine. So inside fabric we are going to check from here that the fabric is having some value. So whatever value 1 2 whatever value we have just exploded with the help of tilde symbol, and we have checked here like this value, see this value is we are going to compare with this value, and if both match then we are going to show it, okay. Then we are going to make it checked, okay. So this is the working of this filter. So now we are going to add it in the pagination as well, okay. I'm going to open the ajax that product listing date file as well. So for all the filters we need to add it here as well, okay. 1 2 3 4 5 whatever, okay. So we are going to add it here as well, like in case of fabric, sleeve, pattern, fit, okay. Fabric, like after price fabric, after that fit, then pattern, then sleeve, after that the last one that is occasion, okay. Occasion, fit, pattern, sleeve, fabric, okay. So all are added, and also we are going to add it here as well. 1 2 3 4 5 we're going to copy, and here 1 2 3 So okay, so we'll go up here. Okay, so now we are going to check these filters in the pagination as well, but for that we need to select all the filters because here see all the products must having some kind of filter, otherwise it will not work. See here, because if we will select any value, like if I will select the half sleeve, then only one two products will come. Okay, see one product has come, so the pagination will not come. So in this case we need to show the values for most of the filters and the same values. Okay, so I'm going to select the values for most of the products, filter values for most of the products. Now like yellow t-shirt, one value is enough. Like in the case of fabric, I'm going to select the plain that cotton value. Okay, for few there is some other value. Okay, black t-shirt, I'm going to add the cotton value for black as well. T-shirt, this is the woman product. So I'm going to see that how many products will come for the cotton now. Okay, let's see. I'm going to refresh it once again, and here I'm going to remove this one, and now see I'm going to select the cotton, and here I'm going to see only 5 products are coming. What I can do, I can reduce the pagination to test it. Okay, so I can make it just make it 3, so that we can check that 2 of the products will come in the next page. So see, only 3 products are coming for the cotton, and 2 must come in the next page. We will go to the next page and we'll check that 2 of the products are coming here. But here most of the products are coming. So why it is happening? We need to check that whether we able to send the fabric. Their fabric is empty, you can see. So fabric does not have any kind of value, so that's why mm, here the fabric is having the cotton, but we are not able to send it to the next page. Okay, I think F is in cap, so that's why it's the case sensitive. So if we will make the fabric in cap, then what will happen, I'm going to see. So now I'm going to refresh it once again, and we'll see here. I'm going to the second page now. So now yes, second for the second page only 2 products are coming, so it's working fine. First page 3 products, and second page is having the 2 products. Okay, so this one is fine. Later on in the series we are going to resolve this design. Okay, we will bring it down, so don't worry about this thing. Just work on the functionality right now, and it's working fine right now. And the fabric must be selected here as well. Okay, and we will keep them open. Okay, we will not close them. Okay, and for that we will make one change in here, must be open like others. Okay, so like we can check the color filter, how we can make it open. Must be some class here, data toggle class shop w2 toggle fa minus, and here fa minus collapsed. Okay, I think it collapsed. If we will remove collapsed, now we want to check here. No, still it is not. Okay, in the next video we are going to see how we can show them. Okay, as open, we are going to open all these, and also we are going to work on the categories as well in the next video. In the part 100 we are going to work on making these one dynamic. Okay, okay, so we are going to finish work on the listing page in the next video, so please stay tuned for that. And also please join as well as subscribe the channel, join the channel to get the source code. Okay, you can always join the channel. You can simply uh, open the youtube.com stack developers. Okay, you can open this channel, and you can always subscribe the channel to more updates of Laravel updates. Okay, from time to time you will get the updates if you will subscribe the channel, and also you can always join the channel to get the complete source code of all the Laravel e-commerce series and the other series as well, like the React.js and other things, APIs. Okay, multi-vendor series. So you will get the complete source code. So in the next video we are going to work on these categories and also going to open these tabs. Okay, and after that we will work on the detail page as well. Okay, so stay tuned for the further videos. That's all for now. Have a nice time. Goodbye.